Hello everyone, see on the board. This is problem number 7 here. Show that this determinant is equal to a minus b, b minus c, c minus a. This is 7th problem in your paper. So, whenever show that given, we have to take LHS, take an LHS, write down the determinant 1, 1, 1, a square, b square, c square. This is the determinant here. Already I said you in the previous video, you do one thing children, see that basic video, that determinants basic video 4-5 times and write down the notes clearly. Then you can easily understand these problems. If you see only one time that basics video and immediately you are coming to this video, means it is very hard to understand. And simply the children are telling that online classes are not understanding clearly. No, not like that. See, we are teaching like classroom. We are thinking that you are in front of me. Like that only we are teaching. So the thing is, you just concentrate the class. That's why I said, see that basics class clearly 4-5 times, write down the notes, then come to this video. Okay. Now see, in that class what I said, whenever 1 comes in the determinant, we have to see where that ones are coming, like row or column. See, these 3 ones are coming in the first column. This is column 1. So, which operations we have to do? Opposite to this one. When ones are in column, we have to do row operations. So, now I am applying row operations. That also I explained how to do the row operations. Now, what I am doing here, clearly listen, this is the most important point. What I am doing, I want to make this one as a 0. Second one as a 0. Similarly, third one as a 0. How to make zeros are? Very simple. 1 is present here, that too plus 1 present here. I am adding minus 1, plus 1 minus 1 both gets cancelled, you will get 0. Similarly, here also I am doing the same thing. I am not going to disturbing this R1. R1 is as it is up to the last step. Okay, means what you know? I am fixing this R1. I am going to change this R2 and R3. When I want to change R2, then I am writing R2 tends to. When I want to change R2, when I want to change R2, I am writing R2 tends to. Whenever you are writing R2 here also we have to write R2 only. I am subtracting R2 from R2, R1. That's why then 1 minus 1, what you will get? 0. R2 minus R1. From R2 I am subtracting R1. Sir, why you are subtracting, sir? Because I want to make this one as 0. Then only it is possible. 1 minus 1, 0. Now see the rough work here. First of all, we have to write R2. Concentrate here. When you are writing R2 here, we have to write R2 first, not R1. R2 tends to R1. If you are writing R3 here, then we have to write R3 here first. Okay. R2 tends to R2 minus R1. We are doing R2 minus R1. You will get some resultant numbers. First we are doing R2 minus R1. What is R2? 1 b square. This is R2. What is R1? 1a square. 1a square. What we are doing? Subtracting. So minus. 1 minus 1, 0. B minus a, b minus a. B square minus a square, b square minus a square. This is the result here. When we complete R2 minus R1, this one we are getting. So this one where we have to write? In place of R2. That I am writing R2. Okay. Now determinant. Only R2 is changed here. R1, R3s are as it is. 1, A square, 1 C square are same. In place of R2, now I am writing this resulting elements 0, B minus A, B square minus A square over. This rough work I am going to rub here because we should not do the rough work beside of the problem. Okay. Now I am going to rub this one. Now which one I want to make 0? As I said, these two numbers we have to make 0. 1 0 is over. Now this one I want to make 0. So what I have to write? R3. This one is belongs to R3. So R3 tends to what I have to write here? R3 only. R3 is then no R3 minus. Again I am using R1. See, both the times I used R1 because R1 is fixed. So that's why we are using R1. Now do the rough work. R3 1. Don't see this matrix. This matrix you see 1 C square. This is R3. Now R1 1 A square. This is R1. Subtracting. Minus is there no subtracting. 1 minus 1 0. C minus A. Yes, C minus A. This is C square minus A square. These three where we have to write in place of R3. Now write on the determinant. Which row is changed here? R3 means R1, R2 as it is. R1 as it is 1 A square as it is. R2 0 B minus A B square minus A square as it is. Now R3 in place of R3 what I have to write? 0 C minus A C square minus A square. Now completed. Now see here, what is the formula for B square minus A square? That I am writing here. 1 A square 0 B minus A. The formula for B square minus A square is B minus A into B plus A. Similarly, here also same 0 C minus A and C square minus A square means C minus A into C plus A. Completed. Totally 4 steps are over. Only 3 steps. This is the given one. First operation, second operation, we are applying formula. Now I am writing, taking B minus A common from R2. Second thing, taking C minus A common from R3. Again I am taking two determinants. In that I am writing 1 A square 0 1. Now I have taken B minus A common, no? So this is wrong here. First I have to write that letters. When I am taking B minus A from R2, the total R2, I am taking B minus A common. As I said, whenever you are taking a number common, that is affected for only one row. See, B minus A is common from R2. From R2 we are taking out B minus A. So first of all we have to write B minus A. From R3 what I am taking common? C minus A taken common. Then write down the remaining number 1 A square 0 is as it is. When you have taken common B minus A, in place of that we have to write 1 B minus A taken common B plus A. The last one is 0. Here C minus A taken common from R3, so that in that place we are writing 1. Here C minus A is outside, so we are having C plus A. Now last two steps are there, completed our problem. When we did determinant problems like Cramer's method, at that time I said you in the determinants video, you just go through that video once. Whenever you want to find the determinant of 3 cross 3 matrix or 3 cross 3 determinant, the process is You select any row or any column first I said, but usually we are taking first row I said there itself. But here what happened, for the sake of making the problem as easy, we are making these two numbers as a 0. That is the main reason. Now I want to find the determinant of this determinant. How to find the determinant? I am using C1. C1, very simple. See, B minus A into C minus A. Do one thing. Here you write down. Do the determinant through C1. C1 according to, with respect to C1, we are doing the determinant now. So B minus A, C minus A, take a big bracket. I am writing first of all 1 into AD minus BC. 1 means this row and this column will be deleted. Only these 4 elements are present. AD minus BC. 1 into C plus A, that is C plus A. 1 into B plus A, minus we have to write here. 1 into B plus A, that is B plus A. Remaining two zeros, no need to write, because 0 into something you will get 0, 0 into something you will get 0. That's why no need to write. Only 1 into AD minus BC over. Now, B minus A, C minus A, here into is there, no need to take bracket, especially 1 also no need to write, take a bracket, C plus A minus B minus A, plus A minus A cancel. So, what is the last answer here? B minus A, C minus A, C minus B. Check the order first. First we have to write A minus B. It is there? No. Here B minus A is present. Now I am writing A minus B. When you write B minus A as A minus B, one minus we have to write in front of the bracket. Okay. A minus B over. The next one is B minus C. It is there or not? No. It is also in the reverse order. C minus B is there. When I am writing C minus B as B minus C, one more minus will come in front of that minus, this minus will become plus. A minus B, B minus C, the last one is C minus A. This is RHS. Problem is completed. Okay. The next problem. See you in the next class.